Growing a construction business is exciting, but it's also tricky. You want more clients, bigger projects, and higher revenue, but at the same time, you don't want to get overwhelmed or lose control of what's actually happening on the ground. I'm Pierre from Iconic Custom Home Builders, and I've been through every stage of growth, from a one-truck operation to a full team handling luxury homes, commercial projects in the greater Houston area. Along the way, I've learned a lot about scaling the business without letting it run me. Today, I want to share exactly how to do that so that you can grow confidently. Focus on what you do best. The first thing I can tell anyone looking to scale is stay true to what you do best. When I first started, I wanted to take on every type of project that came my way. Remodels, addition, commercial builds, commercial industrial buildings, barndominiums. If you can name it, I wanted to do it. At first, it felt like winning, but it quickly became chaos. Jobs got delayed, clients were frustrated, and I was running myself into the ground. The moment I focused on what my niche was, custom homes, high-end remodels, I was able to control quality, keep clients happy, and grow at a pace I could actually manage. When you scale, you can't just take on more work. You have to take on the right work. Build a team that you can trust. You can't do it alone. If you try to scale without the right team, you'll burn out fast. So hire slowly. Don't just look at skills. Look at reliability, attitude, and whether they fit your company's culture. I learned early on that cheap or inexperienced help ends up costing more in mistakes, delays, and headaches. Once I built a team I could trust, I could step back from the day-to-day and focus on growth. And don't forget to train your team on your systems and expectations. It's not enough just to hire people. You have to bring them up to speed on how you want things done. That consistency is what protects your reputation as you continue to grow. Systems are your friends. When I was small, I handled everything in my head. Scheduling, client communication, invoicing, it was all on me. Once the business began to grow, that approach broke down quickly. Mistakes piled up and it stressed me out. Creating simple, repeatable systems changed everything. Contracts, change orders, communication templates, project timelines. Once they were documented, the business could operate without me having to micromanage every single detail. Systems give you control and make scaling possible without chaos. Learn to delegate and let go. Scaling isn't just about taking on more work. It's about letting go of some control. I had a hard time at first. I wanted to approve every decision, every purchase, every schedule adjustment. But the truth is, you can't grow if you try to do it all yourself. Delegation doesn't mean you lose quality. It means you empower the people you trust to make decisions within your framework. That frees you to focus on bigger picture growth, new opportunities, and client acquisition. Keep your finances strong. Growth is exciting, but it can also strain your cash flow. More projects, more employees, more materials, it all adds up. Track every expense, plan for contingencies, and keep a buffer for your surprises. Scaling without financial awareness is how good businesses crash. When I made sure the numbers were always in my control, I could expand without panic. Communication is key. As your business grows, communication becomes even more critical. Clients, employees, and subcontractors all need to know and be on the same page. I learned the hard way that miscommunication can ruin timelines, cost money, and damage relationships. Clear expectations, regular check-ins, and written confirmation keeps everyone aligned and prevents unnecessary headaches. Keep learning and adapting. Even when you think you figured it all out, the construction industry keeps changing. There's going to be new building codes, new materials, new client expectations require you to adapt. The business that scales successfully are the ones willing to learn, adjust, and improve continuously. That's how you grow without losing control, by building a strong foundation, training your team, and staying flexible. Scaling your construction business doesn't have to feel like a disaster waiting to happen. Focus on your strengths, build a team you trust, create systems, delegate effectively, manage your finances, and keep communication clear. If you're ready to scale your business without losing control, follow me, reach out, and let's make it happen. Growth is possible, but it has to be done the right way.